people are talking, like he said, I think it was last week that PALUTA went viral. Actually, he was on a boat cruise party in London, and then he was performing in a fan. And then he got pissed, and then he insulted the pattern now. And people have been. And so he was so pissed that he had to rant in. And now, okay, because it was a bit much. Now, artist manager BUUDOGG say we were underground 50 years. Now, PALUTA is a fool. Pacho, in good team.
Was our show to say, only for that as 15 years as our blue. And I miss Matthias Yankee or 12 or 15 years.
When you were managing a
Shatta,
when BUUDOGG was managing, what didn't they say? Who didn't they insult? Did BUUDOGG ever say he was wrong?
Oh, he was a fool.
Did he ever call his artist a fool? Did he ever say and then
By me, as I sit here, I'm disappointed in some people.
Who and who?
I'm disappointed in the host, Empress, that you sat down and allowed BUUDOGG to insult my artist.
Were you there? Hey.
No, I was not there.
Oh, you were not there. Okay.
You sat down and allowed BUUDOGG to insult the guy as a fool. Once upon a time, Sofudia sent by. He was not even insulting the Sofu. He was saying the Sofu the kind of nonsense. Hey, Metias, hey, I won't allow you to say.
Yeah.
But But PALUTA there is okay. Oh, you need a tell. Small Musubai. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sir, and I is on.
I said when BUUDOGG could have said it very assertively, like without.
And they were all quiet.
And then one more time, then I'm one card, then I'm one year. Then I'm 1 year. Yeah, fellow friend is a media personalities. Yeah, the whole media as a whole. Yeah, funeral cry, then I can't.
And Empress, you allow BUUDOGG to insult PALUTA, and you even say a word. Say, oh, food here is too harsh. You allow him to insult him, just like that. Really? Hey, me won't credit
because why? Because A. Because A.
And then the intimidity will be at him.
A whole fool.
Listen to how he even put the food.
Somebody who is on white.
So what name we answer? And then we allowed this, and Empress was quiet.
A fool is somebody who's unwise. A fool is somebody who does not recognize where he is.
What's it?
Was that 15 years?
Oh, I'm disappointed. No, really, Noku, I'm disappointed in you. No, I'm disappointed. You allowed BUUDOGG, who is an artist manager, to insult another artist because Onina, I'll make him be a man. Just a wapako Jones Sogu, Agu Bigam. It's a no be crucified. Am I your friend of a fool? No, but he's a big man. He's a big man.
He has always been a pundit.
That was what he was.
Always been a pundit.
So he was just doing his job.
You don't stop being a doctor because you're already different.
But
that's what me say. That we are no longer there. You are there. We are not there. People are there. You people can't always blame us for our past. I don't know what your past.
Oh.
It's a TV show.
Ola, I also assemble.
It's Nana May. Yet TV show. Ajia Daji. I can say me artist PALUTA or ye fool. As I say fool him. I'm on the answer here. Hey, and I'm off what is very fully where I know. You didn't go for the attempt. Yo.
Must you won't?
Yo.
Abna can't say be won't. As I'm not kind of made a pa or better not say. But does it make it right if somebody insults? How won't so somebody attempt? and no sisi and why pa no obey nyanseni. You understand? Paluta Semobai, you can criticize him. In fact, I would never sit anywhere and question anybody. So I criticize Paluta on Ajena Oyeno. But then some will be dinner tem. I saw I've seen a lot of media personalities, presenters. And
I was doing that.
Yes, I think the DNA.
I bet be pet because hey,
your balls no bono. Say no more, but then it was uncalled for. It is good to say, but I think the DNA there, I do not support say one more better say.
But it's too much. I think what we need
is a fool.
I got that crowd.
Hey, my passion on you.
I got that crowd.
If you keep on, you will be baptized. We will baptize you, Ola.
I'd rather send one corner.
This is the makeup of
Kim Paluta is a fool.
Ola. Next story, I am why? Ola, so yesterday.
I got the fool.
Unwise. Onim nyansa no timi twa no money all day. Kim Paluta onim nyansa e no timi twa no money all day.
So it'd be a nice if he wasn't talking about like the musical aspect. Also, we have people that could be white when it comes to writing music, but it's not bravo. Almost say yes, I didn't point and
William Yasa would mean Johnny Mo, and you are do. Yes, we're a fool. On the same show, yes, we need personality. Now our ability. What do you what do you to us? Yeah, Kate. Tizeri, Tesco Nianu. Atiko so Nana.
I am not supporting a woman doing nothing. But sleep on with you, Kakra, Besha, will show I did you, Kakra, we did nothing.
2 wrongs don't make a right, and I'm not kind.
It's also say they are okay. We see what Mudi at them, Paluta, Bediatem. So what be Paluta, Paluta bounce Bediatem.
2 wrongs.
Most of you food, you made the food.
Now one friend, they found food.
Now, you're catching
one friend, they found food.
Daddy P say message no say say we didn't crofat I say enyem I say Kim Paluta didn't crofat I watch TV so any social media so the card out by United Showbiz almost say one kwaji ba music
oh think I want friend I want
I go man boy na no I fugu de nu wo de mo kan to aso
well wait there 5 times
say wo akwantuo mu wo abrochire now, send this Chicago Ghana. Mammy come for Lemfi money transfer amount. On say a dollar rate in euros in pounds. They say I say. Nemo say oh yeah transfer now all per the exchange rate. I was from park as a diameter for a Lemfi. And you just say me woman say oh yeah first transaction now who use the promo code and I say referral code Bonah. Metaphor. Oh America and Canada now send you first $100 and I say first $100 Canadian dollars therefore amount $20 cashback. And I don't know more Europe, no Germany, Italy, France, and then important money no. Oh your first transaction is €50 amount €15 cashback. And I don't know more UK so oh your first £50 amount £10 cashback. And I say oh America. Na opese wo shipe onioma e de koba busuan for Ghana na wa mu no udi djuma bi na mo opese ode onioma ni free America e ko Ghana eni gi sama me de nam eye Box Oak Logistics omu ye door to door shipping company ufru ma kachom say enam TheBonahShow so e na oti omunka ombeche 10% discount ana ufri akwantum so na ko Ghana na obepe ba bia da e wokumase a edin no e ba kope Pikash Properties Pikash so ufru makachum say enam TheBonahShow so na te omunka omoso omecho 10% discount and yoma ya jinsamo now okama for on United Showbiz hwanya Ghanaian musicians no medofo omo kama for any hwan e wo United Showbiz ne so sabi so masemba na pandis we tna so no mo twi omo srani abasa hwan na defendi omo hwensama ye kachre Kim Paluta last week our United Showbiz so oni personality ye yinium ni free wa oni hwan e wiase hwan ye gi ni bibi free ni nsema obeye nipa na oye ni biem hwan na adoma chede anyame de ma no ye strip sade ni free ni ho a obeye nipa na oye ni biem hwan Sir President, ye did 2 minutes free in summer. Onante like an ordinary person. If you ask why na, or ye bibi, ye just had the con free in summer, obey any pabim. And also obey any pana, sabi said or TNA beam. Mamma nye dear mo yeno. Respect na ye de masho no, mo maintain respect no. Father, any dear mo mestre se ye benya veteran musician bako. Sabi, what Bob Bra as a musician, abetna show ni subi. Sebaya, asembi ba about musicians. Odini nyansa ni nim die ne experience. Ebe chiremu na wa chire Ghana for wakasa ma akoma atoyem because father, any diem die ekoso show ni so no, any enyan. Oh, kwabena ba show ni so no. Oh, tona kwabena ede kan. PALUTA asem. Ewi say life our live will be done wrong. And once na can you talk with wisdom. Okasa obi etimu say no, unim dia woka. Even kwabena what to nyuma wo experience kra say. Ade na talking PALUTA no. Onu ebinto ni da nti ebito no ko nim dia obeye. We chere wisdom. We chere wisdom. On tona kwabena ne kasa ye. Ekon fa so kasa che ni nia musician. What is say kwabena di natem? What is a kwabena di natem? Empress Obapa. Yay, I'm ofedia. Mommy, last week the uncle you. Mommy, so obi didi obi atem e wo show ni so any die mu mo retracting sem na mo ka no. Show no munyi atem didi emfiri show ni mu. Enye ye culture no. Enye ye culture no show no mpanifo hwe show no. Mpanifo hwe show no, enkwada hwe show no. Ya culture na tem didi enka ho yentimi nko borrow bi culture meka United Showbiz no there be. That is not creativity. If you say obia no wasem from so ni no obia ye mistake. Enu nti no say mistake ni ba na mo tra show ni so a munyusu adom nyansa experience na mo fanka nya atem didi any timi kasa. Because Ghana music industry ne down no me dofo enye easy say o kan ya beso na odum pempenso na te say PALUTA madru no there be da